In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Lovable AI with ChatGPT using an API key. This process will help you harness the power of AI-driven conversations directly through Lovable AI seamlessly and efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to start by opening Google Chrome, one of the most popular web browsers that you probably already use. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll want to sign in to your Lovable AI account. If you don't have an account already, make sure to set one up. It's generally straightforward with your email and a password. Signing into your account ensures you access all the necessary features and customizations related to the integration. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the Integrations or API section within Lovable AI. Typically, this section will be located within the Settings or similar dropdowns. This section is crucial as it's where you'll connect Lovable AI to ChatGPT, making it the powerhouse for generative AI responses. Next, you need to obtain your ChatGPT API key from OpenAI's platform. If you haven't already, you'll want to log into your OpenAI account and generate an API key specifically for ChatGPT. Make sure you copy this key once it's generated, as this is essentially your access pass for utilizing the ChatGPT services. Now that you have the API key in hand, head back over to Lovable AI. In the ChatGPT integration field, paste this API key. This step is pivotal. It's what bridges the connection between the Lovable AI and the ChatGPT engine, turning your Lovable AI application into a responsive AI interlocutor. Once you've pasted the key in the field, don't forget to save the settings. This action ensures that all the configurations you have made are stored and ready to be used immediately. After saving, it's always a good idea to test the connection to ensure everything is in working order. You can do this by sending a simple test prompt through the Lovable AI interface. This step will confirm that the integration is not only complete, but fully functional. Lastly, if Lovable AI offers additional features like adjusting the response length or modifying the temperature for responses, take some time to explore these options. Adjusting the temperature, for instance, allows you to control how creative or structured you want the AI's responses to be, giving you a customized interaction experience. And there you have it, a fully integrated, lovable AI with ChatGPT, ready to engage in interesting, informative, and interactive conversations at your command. Now you can enjoy the sophisticated simplicity of AI conversational interactions right from your Lovable AI account. Remember, exploring these integrations and settings can significantly enhance the way you use AI in your day-to-day tasks. Happy chatting!